I just saw Wilson. You're showing her the quarterly report and growth strategy, right?
I am?
Man, I forgot how much of a joker you are. Come on, man. You gotta be kidding, right? Come on now. You know, it's 20 different tasks across 8 different apps. God, this could make or break the Series C. You know what her words were this morning to me? She was like, it's 9 a.m. or never.
Just calm down and give me a minute, okay? Hold still. I'm about to compile the past few months of everything.
Wait, what is this?
This is Dash. Now hold still. I'm about to perform a miracle.
You're crazy. There's no time left.
Okay, Wilson just wants revenue analysis, customer insights, and competitive research. Hey Dash, I need quarterly revenue projections for our 3 main products, plus market analysis and customer feedback summary. And enter.
Wait, is it doing everything for you?
Well, Dash doesn't just connect tools, it orchestrates them. So for example, it found my Q2 projections buried in my email, cross-referenced it with my current HubSpot data, and pulled more intel from the web. And it's building, looks like, check it out. Charts, analysis, and everything, coordinated across Gmail, Notion, Slack, and the web, all running together.
Copilot doesn't do that.
Very cool. Yeah. My career's over. It's gone. Look, you're just not gonna make it.
She also wants this automated for next quarter, though.
Wait, what? Set up recurring workflows?
Don't panic. Hey Dash, create a workflow to automatically generate this report every quarter.
Did it just set up an automation?
ChatGPT doesn't do that.
Look, man, she just emailed me. She wants a competitive analysis. Let's just give up. Let's just say you got hit by an e-bike. You're lucky to be alive.
Oh, Dash is doing all that for me already. It's got an email automation workflow all set up.
Gemini doesn't do that.
Okay. That was pretty neat. But you can't present this. It's not polished enough. You just can't show it to her. It's not professional.
Oh, you have little faith.
I think she'll buy the e-bike story.
With a single prompt, our superhero Dash looks at my previous Notion templates and applies professional formatting with a click of my mighty mouse.
We did it. I can't believe it. We actually did it. This looks great. It's a miracle.
No, this is Dash. I took a minute to get those reports you wanted.